CVS, just grabbing a couple snacks. I love white cheddar popcorn. I've never tried this brand, but I'm gonna give it a try. And then some snackies. But my boyfriend went back there to pick some medicine. And then, yeah, we're gonna start driving. We're going to a beach that is about an hour and a half away. And we're also going to IKEA because I think I want to buy a dresser for our room. I don't know, we'll see. Just made it to the beach. We reserved. We got a little table with an umbrella.
Oh.
At IKEA because we're trying to find a dresser for our room, but we're getting distracted with everything, and I have a feeling we're gonna end up with something but not the dresser. So I'll update in a sec. They don't have it. We walked with nothing, not even a pack of cookies this time. They didn't have a single 3-drawer set for a dresser, so we didn't get anything. But I think we're gonna get it online because I've really been wanting one for a while. It's the next day. I just got ready today because my sister is hosting a little like lunch brunch situation with her husband, and a few of our mutual friends. My sister is a few years older than me, but we do have some similar friends, especially now that we're both older. I feel like we can just talk easier than we used to when I was younger, and we get along super well. I really do believe that all my siblings are like my best friends. I have my robe with me right now. I just got this today and it's really soft and comfy, but I'm gonna get ready and dress. And I also need to pick up my boyfriend's outfit because he's currently taking like a practice exam for his step 2. So he's in the other room and I'm just gonna help him get ready. Listen, I'm gonna have him wear this. I love this color on him. I'm going through like a really weird phase right now because none of my clothes fit. Since I've been getting weight, I was really skinny and unhealthy last 2 years really. I was struggling a lot with my eating disorders, and I'm still struggling with, you know, a lot about body dysmorphia and whatever. But what I did was, thanks to my therapist, she recommended I got rid of all the stuff that I've been wearing for the past 2 years that just do not fit me. And instead of being like, oh, one day I'm gonna fit back into this, just get stuff that would actually make me feel comfortable and that fit right now. So I packed like 2 whole bags of just clothes that don't fit me anymore, and there's no way that I'm gonna wear them. Took them to Goodwill this morning and I went shopping, so I have a lot of stuff that I can wear today, which is really exciting. So I'm gonna pick an outfit and I'll be right back. running a little bit behind on schedule today. Start getting ready for work. Days I've been getting a few sits, like they're kind of gone now. I was wearing salicylic acid face wash by the Inky List and it dried it up, but I still have the marks in there, so I definitely want to do some concealer today. But I think it's because my period is coming in the next couple of days and I tend to break out, assuming it's because of my period. Who knows? I haven't changed like my skincare or my diet really, so I can't think of anything else. So I'm currently in the guest bathroom and this is where I usually get ready. I do my hair here and everything because I don't want to be loud, and that way he can stay in the room. Today's Thursday, which tends to be sort of like a slower day for me at work, which I'm excited for because I've had a couple of busy days last couple of days where I've been back to back with patients, and as much as I love it, I actually love being busy, then I'm not. Like today, I know it's gonna be a long day, but it's nice to have a little slow day every once in a while. Like I talked about in my last vlog, I am an orthopedic technician. I graduated with physical therapy in Mexico a few years ago. I've always been in love with orthopedics, and I think that's always been like my number one. Ever since I was in school, I knew that I wanted to be an orthopedic physical therapist. I did last year, I was working at a more of a neuro kind of place. It was a lot of patients with TBI, so traumatic brain injury, and I liked it, but it made me realize that that wasn't what I wanted to do, and it just brought me back to orthopedics overall. The clinic is pretty new where I work at, so they've been open for closer to a year now. Everyone's lovely and I really enjoy working there. Like I don't think I've ever worked at a place where like everyone is as sweet as they are, because they're all so sweet, so helpful, and I just love it. I truly do. Finally feel like I'm at a point where I'm really happy with where I am. Like I love my job, I love life right now. It's super exciting to be saying that because it takes a while to get to this point, especially the end of last year was a little rough on me when it comes to my job. And I knew, like I always kept myself very positive through all of it because I knew it was gonna be fine, and it was. So having that mindset was really nice. But I'm almost 25. I turned 25 in 2 weeks. So I've been really like just being like super mindful and like just thinking a lot about my life and where I am, and I've come to realize that I'm really happy. I'm gonna go change and put on my uniform, but I'm not gonna show that because I'm gonna have to do that in my room and my boyfriend's sleeping right now. So I'll catch up back when I'm fully ready and in the car. I made it to the parking lot. I'm gonna go in like 5 minutes, but I usually just sit here on my phone and either finish the episode that I'm listening to on Spotify or watch TikTok until I go in. But yeah, my day starts at 8 and it's 7:50 right now. You know, when I said I wasn't gonna be busy, I just had 4 patients back to back to back. I was running, but we're good. And I think I'm slowing down for now until lunch. It's 1 p.m. right now, so I'm on my break and I'm walking, but It's like 90 degrees or more right now. It's super hot and I'm wearing this sweater because I don't want to have like ugly tan lines, but this is awful. So I think I'm gonna have to stop my walk soon because this is not gonna work for the summer. Done with my work day. It's 5 o'clock actually, and I'm gonna drive home. I am about 15 minutes away, so it's not too bad. What I'm doing today, usually we try to do something together, my boyfriend and I, so we can spend some quality time. It's either we play a board game, we watch a show, or we play video games. So I'm not sure what that's gonna be tonight. I'm feeling a little off today. I'm gonna try and make the most out of my day. So I said this since I left work, but I've been having kind of a rough day today. But I'm going to take a nice warm shower to kind of relax a little bit more until I go to sleep. Use a little water to remove everything else. This is the face wash that I use, and then because of this few sets that I got like 2 days ago, I'm going to be using this again from the Ink list. Alright, so now for my skincare at nighttime, I've been using this retinol serum from CeraVe. I like to do this one first. Do my lotion, and then vitamin E again. I'm gonna be using this eye cream from Trader Joe's. I'm not the biggest fan of this, so I don't use it that often. I use it maybe 3 times a week because it doesn't I feel like it doesn't go in my skin. It kind of stays on the surface, and sometimes it's very problematic because I feel like it's going in my eye and I hate it. But it does feel good though. I'm going to finish the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you really enjoy these vlogs that I've been making lately because I truly enjoy making them.
yeah, just let me know what you like to see next and what other things that you enjoy me doing or watching, and I'll do my best not to do it next time. Okay, bye.